Sa balitang sports, inanunsyo na ng Philippine Sports Commission kung sino ang magiging host ngayong taon na isa sa pinakamalaking grassroots multi-sport competition sa bansa na Batang Pinoy. Kung saan ito, ating alamin sa report ni Daryl Oclares. Rise and shine, Daryl.
Maghanda na mga batang atleta dahil sa dating na October 25 hanggang 31 muling aarangkada ang isa sa mga flagship grassroots sports competition ng Philippine Sports Commission na Batang Pinoy. Ang tuna capital of the Philippines na General Santos City ang magsisilbing entablado ng aabot sa 15,000 student athletes na magtatagisan sa 27 sports. Kabilang dito ang swimming, archery, arnis, athletics, badminton, 3x3 basketball, boxing, chess, cycling, dance sport, futsal, gymnastics, jiu-jitsu, judo, kickboxing, karate, muay thai, pencak silat, sepak takraw, soft tennis, table tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, at wushu. Sa Philippine Sports Writers Association o PSA Forum nitong Martes, inilahad ng PSC ang ilan sa mga dapat abangan ngayong taon, kabilang na ang pagkakaroon ng comprehensive digital manual at QR code system kung saan nakapaloob ang lahat ng mga detalye tungkol sa Batang Pinoy.
We have observed in the past years that meetings take long because of just to clear things up, just to ask questions which are almost basic in the conduct of Batang Pinoy. But having this comprehensive manual, hopefully 80% of their questions could already be answered, especially on the venue, the location of the games, the environment of the hosting city. Even the technical officials from all the NSAs contributed to the content of this manual. So basically, that's their technical handbook on the games that will be conducted or will be played in the Batang Pinoy.
Ipinasilip na rin ang magiging bagong logo ng Batang Pinoy na ginawa rin mismo ng PSC.
The Batang Pinoy is the ultimate grassroots program of the Philippine Sports Commission, and we have the letter A in red and the letter N in blue, and then the O in Pinoy in yellow. So basically the Philippine flag colors, and the blue, red, and yellow forms the medal for the competition. And of course, between the G and the Y, we have the heart for the puso ng atleta.
Binigyang diin naman ni PSC Chairperson Richard Bachman na punteriya nilang matagumpay na maitaguyod ang Batang Pinoy at hindi na maulit ang mga naging aberya sa mga naunang taon.
I guess would be happy to improve from last year, diba? And I actually want to give the kids an international feel. So hopefully now that with this group and we prepared months before, we will give all these kids national feel of their games. And then all the mistakes or all the problems, issues we had last year or 2 years ago, and hopefully we're all fixed it.
Samantala, magandang balita naman para sa ating mga teammates dahil mapapanood ang mga aksyon sa Batang Pinoy 2025 dito mismo sa inyong PTV Sports Network. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.